Here's a great deal on a 2012 Fiat 500. This two-door, four-passenger hatchback still has fewer than 40,000 kilometers. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a rear window wiper, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.